Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to explain how we can install WordPress in cPanel. As most of us use shared hosting and cPanel is the default control panel for shared hosting, so it makes more sense to show you how to install WordPress in cPanel. To access cPanel we have to log into that, so let me do that first. So here is my cPanel. In your case, the cPanel interface might vary based on your hosting company. So here, if I go down, then I will get the subdomains and domains. So first of all, you have to add your domains or subdomain, whatever you want to add for the WordPress. So let me add a subdomain which is forum4, and let me click on create. It might take some time to add the domain in your cPanel. So make sure like you update the DNS for your subdomain, then only this installation will work. So the subdomain got added. Let me go to cPanel. And if we go down, we'll see Softacolous auto installer. Let's click on that, and if you go under blocks, you'll get the WordPress. So from here you can install automatically. In most of the cases, if you go to cPanel, in cPanel itself we'll have the icon for WordPress. You can click there itself, then you can click on install now. So that will take you to the WordPress installation interface. Here you can select the version that you want to install. You can select the protocol, HTTPS or HTTP, based on whether you have SSL certificate or not. Then you can select the directory. If you want to install WordPress in certain directory, then you can do it here. Here you can go ahead with the site name and descriptions. You can change it later after this installation is completed also. You can add here the admin emails. You can select the language, and there are a couple of advanced options which you can select, like classic editor or the login items, but as of now these are not required. If you go down, you have the option for the database. I'll prefer don't touch here if you don't know what you are doing. Here you can select the themes if you want to do that now, and at the end you have to enter the email ID on which you want to receive the admin email and admin password. So I'll prefer to have this email ID, so that if you forget the email ID and password for the admin access, you can retrieve that. So looks like I have some issues, so we can go ahead and select overriding all the files that we have in that location and go for install. But before that, I again forgot to give this email ID on which I want to have the admin email and password details, and then click on install. Again, it might take a bit of time based on your hosting company. So it's all done. Now we have two links. The first one is for the website, and the second one is for the admin panel. That's in this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.